Surigao del Sur and Surigao del Norte are seaweed hubs. Seaweed from Caraga enters processing and export. Change Caraguinay or raw export. So, then we also have the tuna. So, depende rin siya fresh, frozen, and processed or fresh or frozen, and processed or canned. Caraga has tuna grounds and investment to support tuna for export and canning. So, tuna is a top fisheries export nationally and Caraga is a strategic tuna area. So, sikat, sa Caraga region, sikat yun ang tuna nila dito. And most of them ka mostly bitaw na ma-export. Then shrimp or prawns, or commercial aquaculture and wild caught. So shrimp products are consistently among top fisheries export from the Philippines. Even regional production contributes to that national export needs. So we have here also the processed fish products. So kana na-process na siya, like the frozen fillet and canned products, where onshore processing capacity is through linkage to canneries. So fish from Caraga supply processed export or export products or then channel through national processors. So unsa man ang kanang mga government programs dito sa Caraga region. So kanang nga na, parehas sila sa iba na nila, kanang same na bitaw sila sa other region. Of course, kanang government programs man. So, we have here the BFAR. So, na sila kanang Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources implements various programs including law enforcement against illegal fishing and promotion of sustainable aquaculture practices. So, common naman ikayo ni mga illegal fishing. First is the SAAD program. So, Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources, Caraga. Under this program, 185 fisher folk in municipalities of Surigao Island or Surigao del Norte receive asserted fishing gear materials. So, for crab, fish bass, hook on line, and gill nets, worth about 521,892 pesos. So, pangaduwa is the fuel discount or fuel subsidy program or FDFR for fisher folk by the BFAR Caraga. So, this program provides fuel discounts to qualified fisher or motorized boats enrolled in gear and vessel registration in Caraga. Then another version is a one-time fuel subsidy of 3,000 pesos. Each was given to 2,186 fishermen among 3,802 total farmers plus fishermen of Caraga nutrition oil price increases. Thank you. Pagkatuloy is the aquaculture and fingerling dispersal program by the BFAR Caraga. So mostly ang kanang kuha nila nung kay so over 4.2 million fingerlings sa tilapia, milkfish, or bangos, carp or hito were distributed to 47 fisher folk organizations in Caraga. On ayatong last January to May 2025 via BFAR Aquaculture Fisheries Sub-Program. So, pagkaupat is the Fisheries Management and Sustainability Initiatives. Example, like the Sardines Fisheries Management Plan or FMP. 9 was rolled out in Surigao City to promote science-based, ecosystem-based fisheries management. Then including proposed closed season for sardine stock. So, ikuha nila, implementa nila kung kana bitaw ay kaning konting closed season bitaw sa sardine na kay ang mostly ba sa Caraga, mostly nga kanang makuha nila kay sardines, fulfill our practice. The pag-apat is the fisheries management as a fresh weapon was rolled out in Surigao City to promote So when it comes sa kaning environmental and management aspects, Surigao Islands Protected Landscape and Seascapes, SIGLAS, a significant EPA in the region with the DNR are actively involved in its management and rehabilitation efforts, especially after natural events. Mani ang kanang sa mga pinagkalat ko mga pag-ibig sa Then, nasa din Bitaog Marine Protected Area, another EPA in the region with a size of 149.46 hectares as specific management goals for the coastal oceans within its boundaries. So, what are the importance and management of EPAs in Caraga? So, EPAs are crucial or very important for marine conservation. They provide areas for fish multiply, which can lead to an increase in fish biomass and help with the recovery of coral reefs. So the success of EPAs heavily relies on community participation and a sense of ownership. As the communities are often the local managers, the establishment of EPAs in Caraga and other regions helps address conflicts like overexploitation, destructive fishing practices, habitat destructive manipulation. So, ang sama ng kanang mostly nga challenges sa ma-encounter or ma-experience sa Caraga region. Especially kanang sa fisheries nga sector. Kaning overfishing, then natural disasters like typhoon or legal rise, then climate change. Di man ito kabubungan ng climate change. Then feed or input cost, which is for aquaculture, mahal ba nila ang mga fish ano. Then pollution and red tide, also the habitat destruction. So opportunities, seaweed development program. The seaweed programs and mariculture parks, then fishing gear, paraphernalia or So seaweed development program. The seaweed development program focuses on the enhancement and management of seaweed resources. The P4 operates 3 seaweed nurseries located at Cagyanao, province of Dinagat Islands, and Barubo and Lianga, Surigao del Sur. So when it comes sa kaning mariculture parks, it is aimed to reduce poverty coastal areas and promote marine fish culture as an alternative source of livelihood, particularly for marginalized fishermen who are dependent on the valley for food. Then when it comes to food sa post-harvest, the post-harvest program of the Bureau is aimed towards the reduction of post-harvest losses through processing and developing value-added products of fish and fishery products. Since kanang sikat man sila sa kanang mga local products without then sa export sa ilang fishes, especially ang tuna. Then, ecotourism. Develop ecotourism initiatives that directly involve local communities. This can include guided fishing tours, boat rentals, and hospitality services, providing an alternative livelihood. And aside from that, we are sikat sa mga kanang destination dito or kanang mga tourist spots, mga beaches. So, development of local feed production to reduce cost of farming and increase competitiveness. Nasa sila ika na NGO community initiatives in fisheries management. Ang first is the Center for Environment and Resource Development or CERD. Based in Caraga since 1996, CERD works with fisher-focused situations and local governments to develop community-based Marine Reserves Zoning and Mangrove Restoration. By 2011, they were working with 7 fish sanctuaries, approximately 470 hectares and 1,146 of mangroves. Where pagkatulas kaning Where Philippines in partnership with Bifar Caraga, pagkatulas kaning Kaswagan Future Park Association and Natawang at Nako Future Park Cooperative, pagkaupan is kaning nagkuusang mananagat sa Ligao or Namati Community-Based sa Surigao. Pagkaupan is kaning Community Disaster Risk Reduction and Resource Planning. So, special release. The fisheries production in Caraga region dropped by 7.6% or about 5,040.1 metric tons from 6,601.7 metric tons in 2020 to 61,561.6 metric tons in 2021. So the region decreased. So ang region is nag-decrease yung production was mainly attributed to the reduction of the sector by 24%. So sa commercial, pag 2020 is kanang 8,790.5, then nahimo. So taas siya pag 2020 ang commercial. So nagamay siya pag 2021 na. Nahimo na siya 8,496.9. Then kaning municipal is taas siya pag 20, same hapon sa commercial na taas siya pag 2020, which is 42,866.2 compare sa pag 2021 na gamay na upo siya, na-decrease siya to 39,281.0. Then marine municipal, same lagi hapon nga taas pag 2020, then in-decrease pag 2021, and then inland municipal is mugos ay decrease siya pag 2020, pero increase siya pag 2021. Then sa aquaculture is increase, taas yung record sa 2020, pero pag 2021 kay increase, then total of 6. So, if kanang ipang total na sila tanan, mas increase or dako pag record at kaning 2020 compare sa 2021.